So yun guys, ito yung part 2 na ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga slabs or graded cards natin. So let's start, let's go. First card, Trae Young, Gem Mint 10, rated rookie. Rookie card Trae Young. Sana maganda yung performance niya next season. Mabuhat niya ulit yung Atlanta Hawks. So let's go. Next card. Ito, maraming may favorite dito. Luka Magic, Luka Doncic. PSA 9. NBA Hoops rookie card. The future is bright for Luka. Ito. Kevin Durant, Topps rookie card.